Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to redeem an Audible membership code. It's a straightforward process that unlocks a world of audio storytelling. Whether you received a gift card or a special promotion, redeeming your code is the first step to enjoying countless hours of listening. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you can easily access your new membership benefits and dive into your next great listen. Let's get started with the simple redemption steps. Your first move is to open your web browser and head over to the official Audible website. Once there, you'll need to sign into your Audible account. If you're new to Audible, don't worry, you can quickly create a new account. After logging in, look for the specific area on the website dedicated to redeeming promotional codes or gift cards. Now for the crucial part, entering your code. Take your unique membership code and type it precisely into the provided text field. It's always a good idea to double-check every character to avoid any errors. Once you're confident the code is correct, simply click the Redeem button. Your membership benefits, such as 1 credit per month, will then be instantly applied to your Audible account, ready for you to use. Congratulations! Your Audible membership is now active. You'll see your account details reflect the new membership status, often including 1 credit available immediately. Now comes the fun part, exploring Audible's vast collection of audiobooks. Take your time to browse and choose your first listen. Remember to use your monthly credits to expand your library and enjoy a new story every month. Happy listening!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.